Hi, I'm Dave Monty with Remax and welcome to my video series, Everything Villages. We're going to start posting videos on how to prepare your home from sale, from simple staging techniques as well as some inexpensive home projects to give your home a refreshed look. This particular video is a classic example of that, on how to give your tile floors a complete new look for $13 in about an hour's worth of time, so stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dave Monty with Remax and welcome to my video series, Everything Villages. As you can tell, I'm kind of in repair mode today. I've got a new listing at a villa that is about, or a little over 20 years old. And so there's a little bit of refresh that had to be done in certain areas. And one of those areas is the kitchen floor. And what I want to show you, I'm going to grab the camera from my lovely assistant. There she is.
Don't do that.
Recently they replaced their floor with LVP, or luxury vinyl plank, but they maintained the same tile in their kitchen, into their foyer, as well as like entryway into their garage. And as you can see, the grout over time has become very dark. Now, this weekend, I spent time scrubbing this floor, hoping to change the color of the grout, but it's just too dark. But the floors are very clean. They've all been bleached. After I bleached the floors, I started doing some testing. During my test, I used a light gray, which didn't look very good, and just recently bought a new beige, which looks much better. So what we're going to do is we're just going to paint these floors. Sounds kind of funny to paint the grout, but there's actually grout paint. So let me show you what we're using. We're using something called Grout Refresh. Get it at Lowe's. And here's all the materials you need. Grout Refresh, you need a little painter's brush or an artist brush and some paper towels. And with that, we can start doing these floors. Now it's as simple as this. Now I'm not going to show you all of it. What we're going to do is just basically do a before and after. I mean, the best, you just squeeze out a thin bead all the way down a grout line. Very simple. Come back up, get my brush, and then we're going to just real gently just try to brush in between. Now, this weekend I tried masking the edges. And what I realized is that even with masking the edges, that a lot of the paint ended up getting underneath the tape anyway, and it just took up a lot of time. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the paper towel, actually now I get a cloth rag, and then all we're going to do is we're going to just wipe up the edges all the way down on both sides. And you can see on that edge, it's real clean. We're going to flip the rag over and just grab the other edge. Now I might have to do 2 coats. And the next time you'll see me, I'm just going to do a quick before and after. Very simple process, but you know, it's going to take a little bit of time because we got quite a bit of floor to cover. But probably talking about an hour's worth of work in order to give your kitchen a complete refreshed look. So this took us about an hour and a half to do the whole thing. Now you can see what it looks like. Just so much better, so much cleaner. I'm going to go around to, there's the foyer that was done. Oh, probably a little dark down here, but as you can see all the way down and into the bathroom. Just it looks like brand new floors. So a little bit of elbow grease and actually, we'll say a little bit of knee grease as well, because you're going to get down on your hands and knees. But that's our $13 new kitchen, foyer, and hallway floor. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video on how to refresh your tile floors. Hopefully you can put it to great use. Please hit like on this video or subscribe to my channel. Also in the description below, I've got many tools that I have built for my clients, including a 40-page guide, buying and selling a home in the villages. All my tools as well as that guide are free, so read in the description how to get your copy or copies below. I hope you have a great day. Be seeing you around the villages. Take care.